I also think it's fair to say that Fadlo is at his very best steering AUB through those existential crises we have faced in recent years. He thrives on finding solutions to complex, sometimes seemingly hopeless challenges he turns into opportunities for AUB. And Fadlo, for all that, we are grateful. Thank you.
President Khuri leadership is distinguished by always surrounding himself with the smartest possible people and empowering them to change lives everywhere. He is incredible at building the best possible team. And this is true across the campus and especially at AUB-MC, where he recruited a most distinguished and humanitarian dean in Dr. Ray Sawaya, and a thoughtful and highly skilled hospital executive in Mr. Zaher Dawy. Dr. Khoury, by doing that, set AUB-MC on a great path.
Describing working with Dr. Khoury, here's what will be repeated. Visionary, strategic, inspirational, purpose, adaptability, resilience, courage, empowerment, growth, authenticity, accountability, and communication.
If one reads the more than 100 president's perspective that Dr. Khoury has penned over the years, one finds all kinds of cultural references from Homer to Imru al-Qais to Shakespeare to Albert Camus to Gaddafi, again showing a humanist deeply attuned to the moral, historical, and existential questions that shape the human experience.
Maybe one thing I would like to end with and talk about the leadership of Dr. Khoury. Lots have been said in terms of superlatives, but one thing I would like to say about his leadership is presence. And this has been really key for us, people on the ground. We never had any event, any meeting where we reach out to him that we would like you to be with us, and he was there. And this is extremely important for empowering us, our staff, our students, and everyone on campus.
I think talking about achievements, one of the most critical achievement is upholding the mission. I mean, that's really, and I think Eli touched upon that, and aligning the university behind the mission. And the mission is about values, our mission is about excellence, and our mission is about certainly advancement and service. And these were critical components that I think it's one of the biggest achievements. Everything else becomes deliverables and projects and initiatives that feed and align into that mission. And this was possible, as has been mentioned by colleagues, through leadership style in handling and overseeing, leading the academic affairs at this institution, the vision for that.
Not just service, but service with love. In other words, service without expecting anything in return. That's what love is. And this motto comes from the gospel of love, the gospel of John. And that's why the founding fathers put it there. So thank you, Fadlo, for reminding us of who we are and why we are here.